Hello guys, Punit is back with you some cool tips and tricks. So today is the one of the amazing days of Maya because today launched Nikon one of the new mirrorless technology, or as even the DJI launch our new Mavic 2, which we all are waiting for last couple of months. We heard about a lot of rumors from DJI side, which is a new upcoming drone from DJI Mavic 2, Mavic Zoom, and finally DJI released our today Mavic 2 and Mavic Zoom, two new Mavic series drones. Today I will talk about the 5 most highlighted point from both drones and what you will get inside these drones in these upcoming months. So let's get this. So finally DJI launched our 2 new drone in a market, and it's the Mavic series drone, and we all are fan of the Mavic series. Last drone, which is called Mavic Air, which is launched by 6 months ago from DJI side, and one of the oldest drone, which is Mavic Pro, launched by 2 years ago from DJI side. So in these drone, DJI did lot of enhancement inside the technology. If we talk about the first is the image sensor. So in the DJI Mavic 2 you will get a bigger image sensor, which is the top highlight of DJI Mavic 2. You will get a 1-inch sensor side. The previous one you have 1/2 sensor, which is the smaller of 1 inch is 2 times smaller. So you will get a 2 times bigger sensor. So there is a big problem in Mavic Pro because you will not get a low light performance. So in the Mavic 2, that the low light performance will be enhanceable, and the bigger sensor you will get more details, more color grading, and more dynamic range you will get inside the camera. If we talk about the Mavic Zoom, the second option, which has a 2x optical zoom. So Mavic Zoom is also Mavic Zoom has a 2x optical zoom, and one of the good option if you are looking for a different perspective kind of a camera, because you will get 2x optical zoom. There is no clarity reduce, there is no image cropping, and there is no video quality reduce inside the optical zoom. So you will get the new technology in your Mavic, and you can easily zoom in your subject while you are flying your drone in a sky. So that is a cool thing from Mavic Zoom and Mavic. And if I talk about the optical sensor, which I like a lot. So in this camera you will get a lot of optical sensors, which is placed in all around the body, like in upside, in the back side, in the front side, in the bottom side. You will get more than 7 optical sensors, and your drone is more reliable to fly, because in drone very big issue we will face, like optical sensors. We have low optical sensors, and most of the time our drone will get accident, and it will got easily damaged. So in that drone you will get a lot of optical sensors, and there is some 3D tracking option technology will be Mavic 2 and Mavic Zoom will use, and it makes more reliable flying in if you are flying in the any kind of situation, which is the one of the good updation from the DJI side. Or it helps a lot to shoot freely without any tension your aircraft, which is one of the good option from DJI. Third, and one of the top highlight of DJI side, which is lenses. So in Mavic 2 you will get the Hasselblad lenses. So Hasselblad is one of the great tech company which is making a high quality lenses. So in Mavic 2 you will get the Hasselblad technology, the Hasselblad opticals inside the element of lenses of the gimbal camera, which is attached on Mavic 2. Or so in Mavic 2 you will get a 2x optical zoom. So DJI did an amazing thing. DJI changed the whole element of lenses, and they used different technology to create a 2x optical zoom. There is no quality reduce inside when you are doing zooming in your drone, which is the one of the good option. But I like a lot the Mavic 2 because you will get a high quality big image sensor, and as well as the support of the Hasselblad lenses, which make this drone one of the golden marry for me, because I'm shooting low light situation. The DJI drone Mavic side. In the fourth highlight of the Mavic 2 and Mavic Zoom, you will get the higher megapixel sensor. So in the Mavic 2 and Mavic Zoom you will get a 20 megapixel image sensor, so you will get the high quality image inside this drone. So whenever you are shooting still pictures with using these drones, you will get higher quality megapixel option inside this camera. If we'll talk about the features or other features you will get the auto hyperlapse option, so you don't need to do manually hyperlapse. In the previous one you have to do in Mavic Pro. In this camera you will get a auto hyperlapse option, so you can just automatically set your hyperlapse and your camera will give you a automatic video file, which is makes your post-production lesser, and even you will get the high quality images, raw images, so you can also make your high quality hyperlapse using your Lightroom and other things, which is the one of the good option. Talk about the aperture. In these lens you will get the Mavic Zoom, a fixed aperture lens which is 2.2. there is no variable aperture inside. You have to use ND filter to cut the light. Or if I'll talk about the Mavic 2, yes, you will get the variable aperture option. There is a 2.8 lens inside this camera. You can change according to the. And the other feature I like a lot in this drone, you will get active track 2.0. So it use some 3D tracking option, and it track your it track your action directly using that 3D tracking option. So it is more reliable, it is more fast, it will track more frequently to your subject. So that is one of the good option from the Mavic 2 and Mavic 5. And the most highlighted option, you will get the amazing battery life. The battery life is the one of the main issue of the drone. The last preview of Mavic Pro, we don't have a good battery. It is hardly fly at 27 minutes. So in this they improve a lot of battery and even the speed as well. So in Mavic 2 you will get a 31 minute flying time. It is slightly 5 minutes more than your older one, the Mavic Pro. Even you have to put a bigger battery inside this drone. So bigger battery, it means the bigger battery life as well. So they also redesigned the new propellers. So the new propellers are the very less noisy. The very big problem in Mavic 2, the very big problem in Mavic Pro, you will get a lot of noise whenever you're flying your drone. So in Mavic 2 you will not get that much noise because they change the propeller shape and size. I'll talk about the speed. You will get a 44 km/h speed, which is the 4 km more, which is higher than the older one, because older one you will get 40 km/h, and in this you will get more 4 km extra in the Mavic 2. So that's about the highlights whatever you will get inside this both drones. If I tell you about the opinion of which drone you have to buy in both drones, so my suggestion is to buy the Mavic 2, because Mavic 2 has a bigger sensor, which is 1-inch sensor, so you will get a lot of details inside, and there is also using C-Log new technology, so you will get an higher the flat file, so you can also you can also post produce your video, and you can create a lot of colors inside the camera. So which I like a lot, because of the 1-inch sensor is the one of the biggest demand of drone, because in you will get that 1-inch sensor in the Phantom series, so you don't need to keep a bigger drones, because the Mavic is the smaller one, and it comes with your small bag. Or even you will get a 1-inch sensor, so it's very amazing in low light, and even the daylight performance is very amazing. But if you want a different perspective cameras, because in the Mavic Zoom you will get a 2x optical zoom, so you can shoot dolly zoom and effects and very different kind of effects, because the lens is equivalent of 48 mm, so you will get the stretch image, which is gives you a cinematic standard lens, which is also a cooler thing in Mavic Zoom. So my opinion, if you are a traveler, if you want to shoot travel videos, and if you frequently travel, so Mavic Zoom is the one of the good option for you, because the dolly zoom effect, which makes your footage very different and very cinematic shots. Or if you are a wedding shooter, you shoot hyperlapse in low light situations, so Mavic 2 is the one of the good option for you, because you will get a 1-inch sensor. So 1-inch sensor, it means you have a high quality low light performance video inside the camera. So that's it in this video. If you have something in your mind, please don't forget to comment in the below section, and stay tuned my video.